Alright, about to drop these spark plugs in. I like to prep everything. So you see I got the anti-seize on the threads already that keep the spark plugs from seizing up in the head of the engine. And you always do this on the cold engine, never do it on the hot. This tool from AutoZone, so it's basically an extension and a socket all in one, you know, just made for spark plugs. Just personal preference. So there is supposed to be a little rubber piece inside of there. I don't like using that, so I always pull that little rubber grommet piece out. And to get the plugs out, I just go like this, little magnet, pull them out. So these plugs is cooked. And when you reinstall it, just don't drop it down in there. The plugs is in, take the extension with the socket, let it fit on the plug, and then hand tighten it and check your factory torque specs. Everything's all in, and just reinstall the stuff you took off. Suffering from bad fuel mileage, a little misfire. This is what it is.